Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to you of our today's class. I am Muhammad Firoz Mahmood, teacher, Milestone School and College, Sector 4 branch. Today I will discuss with you class 8, chapter 5, lesson 4 and 5, nervous system. Dear students, let's go to our today's class. Our today's class is from lesson 4 and 5, nervous system. So my dear students, if a needle pricked in your hand or leg, what will you feel? You will feel pain. Why will you feel pain? Because on kind of sensitivity that enter to your brain, then brain command you that something is pricked in your hand or leg, then you feel pain. So how it is possible? It is possible on kind of system. This is known as the nervous system. So the unit of nervous system is neuron. At first I will discuss with you what is neuron. Neuron or nerve cell. At first I want to say that nervous system. The system of animal body which maintains communication between different organs, coordinates the functions of all other system and respond to stimuli in order to keep harmony with the environment is called nervous system. I mean the system of animal body which maintains communication. Which maintain the communication between one part to another part through the whole body is known as the nervous system. We have to remember that brain is the main part of nervous system. All of the sense or sensitivity will reach at the brain, then brain command us that what is happening the other organ inside our body. So brain is the main part of nervous system. Now the unit of nervous system I have told you that is neuron. Nerve cell or neuron. So what is neuron? The structural and functional unit of nervous system is neuron. What is neuron? The structural and functional unit of nervous system is neuron. A neuron is the longest cell of human body. A typical neuron is mainly divided into two parts, cell body and processes. So how many parts are there in a nervous system? Two parts. Number one, cell body, and number two, processes. Now different parts of a neuron. Now I will discuss with you about that different parts of a neuron. Everybody look at the picture. Can you see the picture? In this picture, what will you find? That there is a tree like things. If you think that it is the branch of a tree and it is the root of a tree and the middle part is the stem of a tree, so you will think that the branch portion is known as the cell body. This round shape is known as the nucleus and this is known as axon, and this stem part is known as the myelin sheath, and this is known as cell body. So at first, cell body. What is cell body? The cell body is the main part of the neuron. The cell body may be different shapes. This cell body may be different shapes. For example, it may be round, oval, or star shape. I mean, this cell body will be in different shape. It may be round, it may be oval, or it may be star shaped. The cell body is composed of cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. So what are the main component of this cell body? Cytoplasm, cell membrane, and nucleus. Nerve cells have no centriole, so they cannot divide like other cell. Nerve cell has no centriole, so you cannot divide it into other cell. Now processes. What is processes? The branched tree-like structure that extend from the cell body are called processes. Processes are two types, axon and dendron. I mean, this branch-like structure is known as the processes. It has two parts, axon and dendron. I mean, this is known as dendron and this is known as axon. Now, what is axon? The long thread-like structure originate from the cell body is called the axon. There is only one axon per neuron. I mean, in a neuron, there is only one axon. This is known as the axon. I mean, the long thread-like structure originated from the cell body is called the axon. And in a neuron, there is only one axon. Now, dendron. The branches structures originated around the cell body are termed as dendron. They are small, relatively wide and breaks up into fine terminal branches called dendrites. I mean, this portion is known as the dendron and single one is known as the dendrite. Now, functions of neuron. I mean, what is the importance of neuron? Neuron is very much important for our body. If neuron does not act in our body, what will happen? We cannot feel any sense. So, what is the main function of neuron? To carry stimuli. I mean, any sensation can pass through neuron from one portion to another portion inside our body to maintain communications between internal and external environment of body. I mean, if you touch hot water, what will happen? You will feel hot. If you will touch a piece of ice, what will happen? You feel cold. So how is it possible? For I mean, due to the action of neuron coordinate the activities of different organ system of the body. I mean, it coordinates the different parts of or organ inside our body. Retain memory and to think and pass instruction for work are the function of neuron. I mean, it will have the sensation of memory and then memory will give the command that what are you doing or what will you do. This is the function of neuron. Now you can ask me, neuron, if a neuron can join or not. Yes, you have to remember that in our whole body neuron is spread. So how is it possible the first portion of a neuron and the last portion of another neuron join like as this? Suppose this is a neuron and this is another neuron. It has joints in a position. This is known as the synapse. So what do you mean by the synapse? The junction between the two neurons where axon of one neuron ends and the dendrons of another neuron arises, known as synapse. Synapses allow information to pass from one neuron to another neuron. I mean, what is synapse? Synapse is the junction between two neurons. I mean, when one neuron join with another neuron in a point, then it is known as the synapse. So, my dear students, what have you learned today? Today we have learned about the nervous system and the importance of neuron, and also the different parts of neuron and what is synapse. So write some related questions about today's topic. What do you mean by nervous system? What is neuron? Describe different parts of a neuron with figure. What is synapse? What is the function of a neuron? Now your homework, related question 1 to 5, learn. So dear students, thank you very much for joining of our today's class. Allah Hafiz.